You have 2 minutes to answer these questions. Which of these hinders the division of labor in manufacturing? A, excessive demand for the product. B, low level of technology. C, excess supply of labor. D, increase in the export of goods. Say again. B is correct. Speak up. Which production cost varies inversely with output? A, total fixed cost. B, marginal cost. C, average fixed cost. And D,
C.
average costs. C is incorrect. Cooperative societies are formed mainly to A, assist producers in maximizing profits, encourage thrift and credit among members, promote and maintain the welfare of members, break the monopoly of private companies.
C.
C is correct. This country, home to the largely impenetrable Sad Swamp, is the world's youngest internationally recognized state, having become independent in 2001. For the point, name this African country which split from a similarly named country governed from Khartoum and whose own
South
capital, South Sudan, is correct. The city's neighborhood of Plaka is locally known as the neighborhood of the gods due to its proximity to many archaeological sites. The long walls connected to the city to which port of Pyrrhus during the Polynesian War and its adjacent Acropolis hosts the Parthenon. For the point, name this ancient city, state, and modern capital of Greece, the so-called birthplace
Athens.
of Athens is correct. In 1899, Halford Mackinder claimed to be the first person ever to climb this mountain. This mountain is the main water catchment area for the Tana River. The largest river in this mountain's namesake country. For the point, name the second tallest mountain in Africa.
Mount Kenya.
That is correct. St. Augustine's. A school is conducting a physics experiment with springs, weights, and measuring tapes. Every 4 students share a spring. Every 6 students share a weight. Every 8 students share a measuring tape. If the total number of springs, weights, and measuring tapes used was 91, how many students participated in the experiment? Yes.
168 students.
168 students is correct. Persco. A set of 40 bow ties is placed in 40 identical and marked boxes with the following distribution: 14 black bow ties, 12 red bow ties, 8 blue bow ties, 6 green bow ties. What is the least number of boxes that must be selected to be sure that at least 7 bow ties of the same color are found? Francis.
35 boxes.
35. That is incorrect. Yes.
25.
25 is correct. Point 3 and 2 lies on the graph of the inverse of f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus x plus a. The value of a is, yes.
Negative 15.
Say again.
Negative 15.
Negative 15 is correct. 4 employees, Alan, Brian, Chloe, and Dinah. They must be assigned to 4 different work shifts: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. The assignments follow these rules. If Alan works the morning shift, then Brian must work in the evening shift. Chloe and Dinah cannot work consecutive shifts. If Dinah works the night shift, then Alan cannot work the morning shift. If Alan works the morning shift, what must be true? A, Brian works the afternoon shift. B, Chloe works the night shift. C, Brian works the evening shift. D, Diana works the afternoon shift. Augusco.
C.
C is correct. C is correct. What is the term for a recurring element that, Kojo?
A motive.
Say that again.
A motive.
A motive is correct. I'm going to spell a word that I have scrambled. But this word means a person attracted to foreign people or culture.
A zero foul.
A xenophile is correct. Two trains are 100 kilometers apart and moving toward each other. One train travels at 60 kilometers per hour and the other at 40 kilometers per hour. A bird starts flying from one train to the other at 80 kilometers per hour, back and forth until the trains meet. How many kilometers does the bird fly? Daniel,
80 kilometers.
80 kilometers is correct.